In this lesson, I will explain to you stack plot, how you can make a stack plot in Python by using Matplotlib. So again, I will say that first of all, you have to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And if you are using the Jupyter notebook, then you have to write down this line as well. Otherwise, there is no need. So here I have made a very simple programming. These are the days, right? 1 to 7, because we have 7 days in a week, and these are the study hours, play hours, sleep hours, and TV hours. So in the first day, suppose you study 6 hours, 3 hours you play, 8 hours you sleep, 2 hours you watch TV, and so on. If you want to make the stack plot with the help of this data, then same thing, you have to write down plt.stack plot, just like we used to write down pi if we were making a pie chart. For bar chart, here we are making the stack plot between among these parameters. So you have to write down, and when we will run, so you will see our stack plot is there, right? So simple. Now here, suppose we want to make a legend. So what you have to do, and legend, and see here, these are lines here. We do not want these lines. So I have told you already that you have to use plt.show function at the end. So you will not see these lines. But this function you have to use for the legend for in stack plot. So plt.plot, and then here color is equal to blue, label is equal to study. These are the colors which system has generated, but if you want, you can make your own colors. Here I have written my own colors that I need: blue, red, cyan, and so on. And these are the labels for this. So plt.legend you have to write down. When you will run this function, you will see a very nice stack plot is there, and the legend is also there, right? But see, our heading is not there, our y-axis title is not there, and this is x-axis. What is on x-axis is not there. So we will also make labels here, and if you want, you can increase the width of these lines as well. To increase the width of these lines, you have to use the line width function in the same line of label. Here I have written 4. If you want, you can try 3, 2, 5. It's up to you. And for the y-axis, x-axis, and title, I have made these labels here. X label is days, these are the days, these are the hours, and title is daily activities, right? It's again up to you. Whatever you need, you can write down according to your scenario. When I will run this, you will see our stack plot is there, and width of these lines are now 4 points, and these are the different scenarios. This is the study time, right? Play time, TV time, and so on. So here you can see it increases and decreases, because sometimes you spend more hours, sometimes less hours. So this is all about a stack plot. Make your own programming, play with it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.